Hi my friends, Teacher Nishi came back to see you today. So how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Today let's learn about the alphabet letter sounds. I will flash a letter and I will make the sound. And I will give you time to think about objects that begin with a letter sound. I'll give you 5 seconds to think, so you have to be quick. Let's begin. What can you think of that starts with an A? This letter makes a sound A. The A says A. The A says A. Every letter makes a sound. The A says A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. Let's see. A. Apple. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Ant. A. Arrow. A. Arrow. A. Ambulance. A. Ambulance. All these 4 objects begin with A. Did you think of these objects? Well done. Now there are other things that begin with A. It can be an axe, or an anchor, or it can be your name, Anna, Alicia, or Amelia. Let's move to the next letter. This letter makes the sound B. B. The B says B. The B says B. Every letter makes a sound. The B says B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. Let's see. B. Banana. B. Banana. B. Baby. B. Baby. B. Boat. B. Boat. B. Bowl. B. Bowl. All these 4 objects begin with B. Did you get it well? Well done. Now we are in letter C. This letter makes a sound K. K. The C says K. The C says K. Every letter makes a sound. The C says K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. Let's see. K. Cat. K. Cat. K. Cap. K. Cap. K. Cow. K. Cow. K. Caterpillar. K. Caterpillar. I think you got it. Good job. Let's go with letter D. This letter makes a sound D. D. The D says D. The D says D. Every letter makes a sound. The D says D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. Let's see. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. Dolphin. D. Dolphin. D. Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. D. Donut. D. Donut. You got it right? You're so smart. Let's go with our last letter for today. Letter E. This letter makes a sound A. A. The E says A. The E says A. Every letter makes it sound. The E says A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. Let's see. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Eggplant. A. Eggplant. A. Engine. A. Engine. A. Eraser. A. Eraser. Did you think of something else that starts with letter E? Oh, wow! You're so smart. I'm proud of you. Thank you for watching me, and let's learn more letters next time. See you later, alligators. Bye-bye.